Just got laid off? These three companies are hiring remote workers right now, and one pays up to $15 an hour.
Welcome to Laid Off to Paid Off, the channel where I show you real ways to make money online after losing your job. Hit subscribe and let's bounce back together.
First up, TELUS International AI. They hire remote workers to evaluate search engines and social media feeds. You can work from home and no special experience is required. Pay ranges from $12 to $20 per hour. Here's how to apply to TELUS International AI. Head to www.telusinternational.ai/careers. You'll land on a sign up page. Fill in your email, first name, and last name. They'll send a confirmation link to your inbox. Click it to verify. Once verified, you'll be taken to a longer form. Complete your profile, upload your resume, and verify your phone number. After that, your dashboard opens where you can browse open roles. Click apply on any job you like, upload your CV, and take a short qualification test based on the position. Next is Crowdgen. They offer freelance microtasks, things like rating content or doing quick surveys. It's flexible and works great if you want to earn while job hunting. Here's how to apply to Crowdgen. Visit crowdgen.com and you'll land on their homepage. Click the Get Started button, then select Earn Remotely from the options. You'll be taken to the job board. Here, you can search by job type, location, or specific keywords. Once you find a role that fits, click Apply. You'll be asked to fill a short form and upload your resume or CV. Once you're done, click Submit Application, and that's it. You'll receive an email if you're selected for the next step. Lastly, Welocalize. This company hires freelancers for transcription, localization, and content review. If you speak multiple languages or are detail oriented, this is a great option. Here's how to apply to Welocalize. Head to careers.welocalize.com/freelance. Click on Explore Welocalize freelance projects, then click Go back to all job postings. Scroll through the listings and choose a job that fits your skills. Click Apply. You'll be taken to the job description page. From there, hit Apply for this job. You can either upload your resume or paste your LinkedIn profile URL. Fill out the short form and click Submit Application. That's it. Once they review your application, you'll get a follow-up by email. Need help choosing the right freelance job? Comment send and I'll guide you in my next video.